you have to make sure is that... Oh, sugar! Oh, no!
So is that a brand new window?
Yeah, brand spanking new.
How much did it cost?
About 500 quid. This week we're going to be looking at how to swap a window. We're going to have a look at a couple of Caravans. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button and drop us a comment below. Let's get on with the video. Another one just arrived. 2021, this one. It's the Sienna, which is a Super 6 FB. Very, 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 very similar to the eldest Avanti 840, but just I prefer these. Well, it's a blustery day and we've just brought this one back in, so just starting to, you can see through the window, stack some vans up into the off-site workshop, hopefully to go on sale very, very shortly. Lovely 5 berth, 6 berth even this one, so we've got the dinette at the back, side washroom with separate shower and toilet, and everything's all absolutely spot on. Got a full service history, this one, and it's been looked after really, really well inside and outside. And the only reason that it's in the workshop is that we're just trying to stockpile some Caravans at the minute. So let's have a look at the other one. Now this one we bought in yesterday. Again, a lovely, lovely little van, and I started to pre-PDI this ready for sale. Just going through sort of the service check sheet and just checking everything all off. And this one again will be coming on sale very, very shortly. We've got space for one more van just in the middle. Hopefully the boat is going to go very shortly, so that's on sale at the minute. It's on eBay. I think we've got that up at 19,995 if there's anybody interested. But we've done a couple of videos on this one yesterday when we was doing our sort of pre-service. So this is just our sample service sheet that was just going through, just doing a pre-PDI on it, doing our little checks. We've got to order a few bits and pieces. Needs a new regulator because the regulator's on order. So we've got some snippets of this that are going to come in on our Sunday video, and those little snippets will just be going through different checks that we've been doing, and the things that we've been checking, and when we're actually sort of doing a pre-PDI or a service, the things that we're checking and looking for. So, but again, very, very shortly this one will be coming on sale. Ooh, we've got a new window. So I'm going to fit this in and show you how we actually fit windows. They're dead easy. Hopefully it's the right one and it's the right size. So we'll put our old window somewhere safe. We will undo...
You mean the new window somewhere safe?
We'll put the new window somewhere safe. We'll open the old one. We'll go back outside. Little screwdriver. And then just in here, we've got some little holes. I don't know whether you can zoom into that little hole. So we poke the screwdriver into the hole, push it in, and then push the catch off. Same on the other one. Push that in. Push that up. Now this is, because I'm not the tallest person in the world, this is where I struggle. Let me get a step. We then lift it up, right fully up, and give it a bit of a jiggle, and out it comes. Fingers crossed, our new window is the same as that one. So the only thing that it's not got is a little cutout on the bar there, hopefully, the actual window. This is the correct one there. Looks good, looks good. So what we're going to have to do is just notch out the little gap on this one. So not quite as straightforward as it should be. So we'll just mark that, and then we can cut out the little notch on this one. Normally, you're not going to have to muck about with the notches on this one. It's because some of these Bailey Caravans have got a framed window and the notches in all different places, so you have to end up then cutting the notch in to match up, whereas a standard window isn't going to have a notch like that. It is literally just going to be on the bar, so you can just fold it in and out like I did originally. So I'm just marking out where the notch needs to be, and hopefully I can cut that out and not cock it up. Hopefully that is deep enough. We shall see. So I've notched it out, and then the moment of truth. Whether that actually fits or not, whether I've cocked it up. So we'll line it up as so. It's good. Go right up, and then sometimes it's just a bit of a jiggly jigger.
Jiggly jigger.
A jiggly jigger, just to get it to seat in properly.
Okay.
There we go.
Oh.
And that's how you fit your window. So pretty straightforward.
But then you've got to put your little latches on that new window, haven't you?
So exactly the same as what we did before. So with the latches that are already fixed on here.
Oh right, yeah.
They just pop off.
Pop off.
Hopefully they're all in the right place. They look pretty close. And
So is that a brand new window?
Yeah, brand spanking new.
How much did it cost?
About 500 quid. And then these ones, again, literally slide. Supposedly. Yeah.
Can your normal sort of person buy those, or do you have to go through to a dealer to buy that?
No, I've got a feeling that we actually used a company called Caravan Crazy for this.
Oh, right.
Because they've got it in stock, it was there. It was a bit more than what we could have possibly got one from one of our suppliers, but it was in stock, it was there, ready to go. It means we can now sell the Caravan again. Other thing to do is, if you have the Chris Extra, you can get the VIN numbers like these. So if you pay for the Chris Extra, that means then that you've always got the extra stickers that you can then put onto, if you have a new replacement window, you put those stickers on there. So that is why the Chris Extra is quite good to have, just in case you ever need to replace a window. It gives you more stickers to put around the Caravan and sort of security mark the rest of the camera. So yeah, quite good. But that's basically how you fit a Caravan window.
It's easy enough.
And then the old one, we can just pop in the bin. You can see the old one had been tried to be repaired.
Oh yeah,
the glue actually hadn't worked and it exploded the window. So all done and sorted now. So yeah, not a bad little job to do. So if you're thinking about, or you've got damaged windows and you're thinking, oh gosh, don't know if I can fit it, they're pretty easy. So hopefully you've enjoyed this week's video. It's not been our normal sort of update one. Our Sunday video is going to have something about gas, so don't miss out that one. So if you've not already hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video on Sunday. See you later.